Amber Heard is going to seal evidence for the appeal, and the news about this has been circulating the internet. And many fans can't help but feel wary about the possibility of this plan being approved, especially since this will only enable Amber to spin more lies without being called out by the public. But what are the chances of these important documents being sealed? And will Judge Askerud give her permission to this? Let's find out. As news about Amber and her team's plans to have documents and evidence sealed off to the public blow up, many Johnny Depp fans expressed their dismay. It seems like the chief judge for the case also frowns this request and is not impressed by Elaine and Amber's scheming. It might sound ridiculous for Amber to want this evidence sealed after the whole trial was televised to the public.
She has to prove that Mr. Lawman's statements are false in their essential meaning. In other words, she has to prove that her abuse claims are not a hoax. But as we've seen, the evidence is overwhelming that Ms. Heard's claims of abuse are false. We should also spend a bit of time talking about actual malice. It is Ms. Heard's burden to...
But it might help her to lessen the support that Johnny Depp is getting if the documents and deposition used in the trial are kept hidden from the public. Think about this. No one can ever freely use clips and transcripts from the trial without getting called out or sued, which means Depp supporters can't use any of this evidence in defending the Pirate of the Caribbean actor. Very ideal, right? This sounds like a perfect plan for Amber if granted by the jury. But it seems like luck is still not on Amber's side. After finalizing the verdict, Judge Penny Askerud announced that there would be no sealing. Everything Amber is planning to seal and already sealed out will be unsealed and published to the public. It is said that Judge Askerud rejected Elaine's request to seal certain depositions and evidence, stating that there shouldn't be anything in this case that is sealed. The judge sounds pretty firm with this stand, right? That might feel like a punch in the gut for Elaine and Amber Heard and a win for Johnny Depp and his supporters. As seen in the comments on a Twitter post by Becca Schultz Fontanilla, fans expressed their glee at Judge Penny's decision. One fan commented, "Yay, Judge wants to unseal everything." Another one praised Judge Askerud, saying, "She is the gift that keeps on giving lol." In another Twitter post by Geraldine Novick, some stated that Judge Penny's decision might have been affected by Amber's interviews that were seen as slanderous by the jury and judges who were involved in the trial. This fan left a comment and said, "Looks like Judge Askerud did not like turd slander interviews." One fan also wrote, "This is why you don't go on a publicity tour before your business with a judge isn't finalized." After all the latest events on this trial, we can now be sure that this is not the end. We will be seeing a lot more of these ex-couple and what they are planning next for the appeal that might just be around the corner. And yes, Amber cannot keep it away from us. So, what is your opinion about Judge Penny's decision to unseal all evidence? Do you agree with her? Let us know in the comments below.